Hi friends, I am Krishna Mohan. So today we are going to learn about the output functions in Python. Okay, so this class I will be dividing in three classes. Okay, okay, this will be a short classes. Okay, so I am using PyCharm as my editor to write um to demonstrate the programs. Okay, so okay, so while coming on to the output functions in Python, we are having uh, print. What is the statement? Print, P-R-I-N-T, print. First, we'll take the print with no arguments. Okay, uh, right. So, if you consider the some other languages, we are having. Suppose if you take the C, there will be a println statement is there, or okay, and in Java there is system.out.println. Okay, so in Python we are having only one output statement. Okay, or one output method. If I have to say, this is the one output method. Okay, so that is what is the print. So how this print method is being used. Okay, we will see. Okay, I have created a project. Okay, already I have discussed, I have done a video on how to create a project. Okay, how to create a module in that, and in that I have created a Python what do you call the file. Okay, so if you want to create a Python file, first right click or click on the project, create a new project. Okay, then in that project, okay, you will be getting this project. Okay, suppose you got this project, right click on the project, new. Okay, Python file. Okay, that's how we'll get the Python file. Okay, so um, how this print method is being used. Okay, this is like a print ln in some other languages, or system.out.println. Okay, so suppose um, this method is used to go to the next line. Okay, if you are using with no arguments, suppose there is another method, print with arguments. With arguments, that too I am taking string arguments, string, string, or str. Okay, what is this? This is print with no arguments. This is print with string as the argument. Okay, so we'll demonstrate it. So print with string arguments, print. Okay, right, string. So I have to give the string in the double quotes or the single quotes. Okay, I am using the single quotes. Okay, which is prescribed, okay, by the Python developers. Okay, double quotes also you can use it if you already well versed with the Java. Okay, if you are coming from the Java background, then you will be habituated using double quotes. Okay, so it is prescribed to use single quotes. So here I am mentioning any string value. Okay, I will be running it. I have not configured it. Okay, automatically it will configure it. No. Okay, see here, Mohan is being printed. This is how the output method is being used. Okay, see here, you'll get the help. But this is a built-in function. Okay, this is what it takes. Okay, this is the syntax. Okay, you no need to go to refer to the books for the syntax. Okay, you put your cursor over there. It is the feature given by the PyCharm. Okay, and here see, it does not return any value. None means it does not return any value. Okay, so because it is a print function, so obviously it will not return any value. uh, okay. Okay, you will be knowing much about this print method. Okay, now this is print with string as the argument. Okay, now what is the print without any argument? Okay, this is like I said, like it is a print ln. Okay, to go to the next line. Okay, so suppose that uh, I am writing some another print statement. Print. Okay, here I am using double quotes. Okay, uh, okay. Now what will be the output? Mohan will be printed, and next line Krishna will be printed. Okay, I am running it. Okay, see here, Mohan is printed, then Krishna is printed. I want this is what is in the next line Krishna has been printed. Suppose I want a line gap between Mohan and Krishna. So what statement you have to use? Print. Sorry, print method. Okay, with no arguments. Okay, then run it. Okay, there is no print ln in Python. Okay, if you want a line gap, you have to use this print with no arguments. Okay, uh, suppose I wanted to concatenate two strings. Okay, I wanted to concatenate two strings. See here, print single quotes. This is one string. I am taking the another string, Mohan. Okay, you are saying okay, you can use in the same means if you are using uh, in the same method in the same function. So why are you using separately? Right, directly you can write like this. No, you only to demonstrate I am using it. Okay, suppose if you want to create a separate. So I will be taking what I will be doing is see here some a is equal to Krishna. Okay, b is equal to Mohan. Okay, now I wanted to concatenate it. Okay, both are strings, so a I have to use the concatenation operator plus, which will concatenate it. Okay, Krishna Mohan. Okay, but if you are using any concatenation, okay, you have to use this plus. Okay, the same way. Okay, this I have for demonstration purpose. I wanted to represent in this way so that it will be easily understood. Suppose that this is one string, Krishna, or and there is another string. Okay, you can use concatenation plus. Okay, if both the what you call both the org what you call both are strings, then we can concatenate with plus symbol. Suppose that here this Krishna, this Mohan is not there. We are usually taking some three. That is what is an uh, integer. Okay, this is what is an integer. So if you run it, it will definitely give an error message. See here. What is the error message over here? Type error. Okay, so you can use plus concatenation only to concatenate, only to join two strings, not strings and the integer or strings and the float. Okay, then what, sir? Then how you can concatenate a string and a integer or a float with a string? Okay, so how you can do it? So by you should not use plus. Here we have to use comma. Okay, so I will run it. See here, uh, both been concatenated, right? Then there is a small issue. Okay, what is that issue over here? See here, there is a space in between. Because of this comma, we got a space. Okay, uh, I have not mentioned only any space after Krishna. Okay, but I got this space because I am using comma. Okay, but if you are using plus or a concatenation, if you want to concatenate two strings, then uh, there will not be any means space between the strings. Suppose here print, if I am concatenating two strings, sorry, okay, and plus type conversion, if I wanted to convert this into string str3, if I'm writing like this, means this 3 is being converted as a string from integer to string. Is it right? We'll see. So this will become a string. Then if I concatenating a string with a string, then there will not be any space. See here. See here, there are no space, but this is space because I am using comma. Okay. So this is what is the difference between using plus and a comma. Okay, comma when we will be using whenever I am concatenating, I am joining a string with some integer or a float. Okay, so sir, okay sir, this is okay. Then what about boolean? Boolean also the same thing. Okay, if you are taking a boolean, then also you can use, you have to use only comma. Sorry. Here, run it. See here. Okay, so okay, so if you concatenating with a string with a string, then we have to use plus. Okay, when you are using plus, there will not be any space. Okay, if you are using a comma, then there will be a space between the two variables. Okay, right. Then the another thing, sir, what about if I wanted to print this string uh, two times? In any other languages, we have to use some loop. If I wanted to print anything multiple times, so I have to use some loops. Okay, so here if I wanted to print this Krishna two times, there is no need of writing the loops. We can simply use star 2. We run it, two times Krishna has been printed. Okay, if you know the, if you want to difference, I will be doing, I will be space, so that you will get the difference. Okay, okay, if you want 10 times, okay, into 10. Okay, so in this way we can do. But if you are using any star, then one should be string, one argument, sorry, one variable should be string and the other should be an integer. Okay, sir, can I use float, sir? See here, if you want to use any float, what it will do, it will give left and right. See here, type error, so you can't use float. Okay, so you can have to use only integer. So if you are using star, the star means if you want to print multiple times a string, then we have to use star with some integer. Okay, so sir, can I use star with by taking two strings? Suppose if I am taking two strings, sorry, uh, is it right, sir? Sorry, NA, okay, it right, sir. Here then now also it will give left and right. See here, type error. So you can't use star between two strings. Okay, if you are using any star, it should be between string and a integer. Okay, so I hope you understood what is print, what is print without arguments, and what is print with string as an argument. Okay, in next class we will be learning more about this print. Okay, thank you for now.